Sorry, there's going to be no editing in this video. This is the Castle Twin Cup. Very nice lawnmower here. And here we've got the engine compartment. We're going to go with the buttons first. That's how you turn on the mower. You pull that out and you shut it to stop it. This here is where your key goes. We will do another startup video. Here is your throttle, and here is the lights. Very stiff lights. Next, levers. So here on this lawnmower, there is the brake pedal, which is in because the handbrake's on. To put the handbrake on, you push in this pedal, pull it back, release it, the handbrake's on. Here is the reverse pedal, and here's your forward. This is your depth control, so you can change it to any depth you want. This is to help the grass flow through. Here I've got it in push mode, but when you turn this, to that, it won't move because it will be on. Next, we have a comfy seat and how the fuel dial. And in the next video, I will be showing you driving this twin castle, how to start and driving it. And then I will do a lawn video, part 1, part 2. Now we move on to the back. So here, this just slides onto the back of there, and to unload you pull this lever out and you just tip it forward. Hope you enjoyed